Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Audi A5 boot from the inside. First, locate the emergency release handle, which is usually a small, brightly colored lever or strap, often yellow or glow-in-the-dark, found inside the boot lid. This feature is designed for safety, allowing you to exit if accidentally trapped. Make sure your car is parked securely before you proceed with these steps. Once you've found the handle, firmly pull it towards you. You should feel a slight resistance and hear a distinct click, indicating that the boot latch has disengaged. This mechanism is purely mechanical, so no power is needed. After the click, the boot lid will typically pop open a small amount, allowing you to lift it fully. It's a straightforward process designed for quick access. If the boot doesn't open immediately after pulling the handle, first check for any obstructions. Sometimes, luggage or other items can press against the boot lid, preventing it from fully releasing. Gently push down on the boot lid while pulling the handle again. It's also a good idea to periodically test this emergency release to ensure it's always working correctly, just in case you ever need it. Remember, the internal boot release is primarily an emergency safety feature, not intended for everyday use. Always prioritize your safety and the safety of others when operating your vehicle or using its features. For more helpful tips and product recommendations, be sure to check the description below this video. You'll find links to other great deals, including those fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.